Hey kids, let's learn about matter today. Do you know what is matter? Everything around us is made of matter. Matter is what things are made of. If you can touch it, see it, or feel it, it's made of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids stay in one same shape. Solids don't change shape like a book, a mug, a block, or a chair. Liquid. Liquids flow and take the shape of their container. Liquids can move and change shape, but not size. Gas. Gases are all around us like air. They don't have a shape or size of their own. They spread and fill up all the space. Did you know? Clouds are also made up of gases. Now, let's review the 3 states in one substance. Here we have water in the form of ice that is solid. We have water in a cup that is liquid. When we heat up the water, it forms steam, making it turn into a form of gas. Solids keep their shape. Liquids flow. Gases take up all the space.